Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this video is very special because today I got my first package from Podlydolls. Georgia is one of my very best friend and favorite doll artists in Instagram, and she creates miracles. Every of her dolls are super amazing, like the doll face expressions and outfit and hair. Everything is just so perfect. So if you haven't check her Instagram, please make sure to check that out. I will give the link in my description box. And now, without talking too much, let's get unboxed the doll. She had a lot of packaging material and a lot of bubble wrap, and I think it's very good for dolls. And now she also included these beautiful hair, and I'm so much glad to receive these. Thank you so much. The packaging is amazing and I am so impressed. And she also included a lot of pictures of her dolls, and every doll is super amazing and I love them. This is the certificate, and wow, I'm so much impressed. This is the story of the doll, and I love the story so much. Also included a letter, and I also read that, so thank you so much. And now it's time to unbox the doll. I'm so much excited. Yes, she also included this hair rifts. Thank you. And now I'm just removing the tape. This tissue paper is so much amazing, and also, oh my god, this doll is so beautiful. The wings, the hair, the face, the outfit, everything is just wow. I love the face expression so much. The eyes are amazing. I never seen that kind of beautiful eyes in my dolls, and I think that she is one of my favorite dolls for my collection. So now I'm just attaching the stand. Every detail is just so amazing. It's insane. Thank you so much, Georgia, for the amazing doll hair, and for the amazing doll and the letter and everything you added in my box. And I'm so much glad to receive these items from you. And now she's living happy here with my other fairies, and she's very happy and one of my beautiful and favorite doll in my collection. So if you like, it's very special for me, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more.